Hi, we have got a family party tomorrow. One of our granddaughters is getting married, and we're going to have a luncheon. And my potato salad was requested. Most of the kids really like it. Most of our children have some pretty plain palates. They don't really like the little chunks of celery or raw onions in it. So you'll think, why am I even putting it on here? It's because my grandchildren probably don't have this. Lots of people think potato salad is something that takes a bit of time. But as usual, I've found a way, because I'm always trying to cut time. I get the Yukon Gold, or the red potatoes with the thin skin. And I just cut them up with the skin on. And it's gonna be small pieces that I'll put in. I'm doing 10 pounds of potatoes today. And I'll get these all cut up and in the pot, and we will boil it in a little bit of salt water until it's tender, fork tender. And then I'll come back and show you. We really enjoy a warm potato salad. I think my kids like it because their mother never thought far enough ahead to have it made and cold. But they like the warm potato salad. They are fine with the potato skins. You can't even taste them in here. And it's really quite simplistic, but very yummy. And so we're going to try to do this and get 10 pounds of potato salad ready for tomorrow and have it. It'll be cold tomorrow because the wedding is at our temple, and it will be in the morning, and I won't be able to prepare it and have it warm, but I will be able to prepare it and have it like they like it. So in a few minutes, we'll be back. I've told you I look for shortcuts. I washed my eggs very, very good, and I've placed them in the water, and they will boil with my potatoes. I boil the eggs it'll probably take 10 minutes to soften this, and that way they peel easily. As you can tell, we have some farm fresh eggs, and they're a little bit harder to peel unless you boil them a teeny bit longer. So 10 pounds of potatoes, 6 eggs. I'm videoing myself now, and so you won't get all the details, but I have taken the potatoes off. They're totally cooked and warm. I've drained the water. I've taken the 6 eggs out, put cold water over those, and peeled them. If I can get this turned around, I'll let you see. But my condiments are going to be mayonnaise. I have some, you can do sweet or dill. I'm doing dill relish, and then a little bit of onion powder. We like the taste, but like I said, they don't like to know that it's there. The 6 eggs I will chop. And this is the secret to how easy it is and how fast. You can see that it's even steaming. But I just take my knife and put it in very small pieces. And it almost becomes a mashed potato with some chunks in it. And then I put on my dressing. Salt and pepper to taste, and a little bit of of mustard, which I forgot to put out. After I get this ready, it takes 2 hands to get it where I want it. We'll come back and I'll let you see it. Right, here you have it. This is my eggs, and that's about how small I put my potatoes, but it continues. A little bit of mustard. As you can tell, I don't measure. Here's mayo. I really like mayonnaise. So let me get something to scoop that out with. I'll probably, for 10 pounds, use about 2/3 of this bottle of mayo. We like it to not be dry, but you need to do it like you like it. Then there's going to be a few sprinkles of onion powder, and I will put in almost that whole jar of dill pickle relish with the juice. I'll stir it really well, come back and let you see what it looks like. I guarantee our family loves it. It's easy, it's fast, it's yummy, and you can serve it hot or cold. I'll show you it as I have it dipped up in the serving bowl. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this, hit the subscribe and the thumbs up. It would really help. Thank you. Hey, we just got back from the wedding, and we are going to go, and I thought I would show you the potato salad. I put a little paprika on it as a garnish. We prefer it warm, but you can try it hot or cold. There it is. I hope you'll try it. My family thinks it's very yummy.